before anything else, gusto ko munang ipakita sa inyo tong magnetic lanyard from Insta360 Go Ultra. So, ikiklip mo lang siya ng ganyan and then you're good to go. And pwede mo rin siyang gamitin kahit walang action pad, so mas convenient and mas lightweight dalhin. So, ginamit ko nga pala siya habang papunta ako ng dental clinic since may appointment ako today. And kahit sobrang sunny kanina, sinamantala ko na rin yung chance para ipakita kung gaano kaganda yung quality niya in daylight. Medyo natagalan ako doon, but at least tapos na tayo sa first errand for today. So, uuwi muna ako and then later, itetest pa natin itong camera sa nighttime and indoor lighting. Can you imagine, nakaklip lang tong camera ko using the magnetic lanyard and surprisingly, ang kapit niya talaga. Kahit medyo lubak yung daan, hindi siya natanggal as in steady lang siya the whole time. It's nighttime already and nagpasama na rin pala ako kay babe para mas comfy ako mag-film sa labas and bonding na rin namin to together dahil minsan na lang din kami magmotor. I want to give you guys my final thoughts on the camera. And ang masasabi ko lang talaga is hindi na ako na-disappoint dito dahil ang ganda lang na discreet din tong camera. And with this, I don't feel like I'm carrying a big setup or drawing too much attention. So now, for the real talk. The battery does drain faster since it's a small action camera. But for me, hindi siya big deal at all kasi you can just bring a power bank or charge it during cafe breaks. And you're good to go again. So, it charges pretty fast then, so it's still manageable. And overall, my verdict is that I like this camera.